Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on vacation rentals with Vrbo, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Vrbo website or downloading the Vrbo app on your device. Create an account or sign in if you already have one. Enter your desired destination, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests. Use the search filters to narrow down your options based on preferences. Consider setting a budget range to see only listings that fit your financial needs. Look for properties with flexible cancellation policies. Read the property descriptions carefully for details on amenities and house rules. Check the availability calendar to ensure the property is open for your travel dates. Scroll through the photos to get a clear idea of the property's condition and layout. Read guest reviews to gain insights from others who have stayed there. Pay attention to the overall rating and the number of reviews before making a decision. If you find a property you like, contact the owner or property manager with any questions. Compare similar listings to find the best value for your money. Look for last-minute deals, especially if your travel dates are approaching. Consider booking during the off-peak season for better rates. Be ready to negotiate if the property allows for it. Some owners might be open to offers. To save more, check if there are any additional fees associated with the rental. Budget for those fees to get a clear picture of the total cost. Finalize your booking by following the instructions provided on the website. Keep a copy of your confirmation and any communicating with the property owner. Prepare for your stay by reviewing the check-in process and house rules. Arrive at the property and enjoy your vacation while keeping track of any extra expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.